Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you another tutorial, but it's not related to .NET or web development. In last 2 days, at least 5-6 friends of mine asked me one question, and that is their Skype version is updated to Skype for desktop and they are unable to open multiple instances of Skype for desktop. So how they can open multiple instances of a Skype for desktop version? So I decided to create this video where we will see how we can open multiple instances of Skype for desktop in a same computer. You all know that Skype's new version is Skype for desktop, and if you follow this below Skype blog link provided by the Skype support team for open multiple instances of Skype for desktop in a single computer, then you will get error message. Okay, so I'm going to show you a simple way to open multiple instances of Skype for desktop version. Okay, you can see this is the Skype for desktop version, and if I try to open this by double clicking, this instance is opened, one instance, and if again I double click, it will not open another instance. So how we can open multiple instances for Skype for desktop? Okay, so for this what we will do, I'm going to control panel, and from here I will create one user account. This user is already created and this is my administrator account. Okay, and then I'm going to create another account here, demo. Okay, and I will make this administrator. Let's create account. Let's create it. Let me set password. This new account is created. Now I'm going to close this window, and now if you press shift button and then right click on this icon, you can see there is a one new option added here, run as different user. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and now here we have to provide the username. Demo is the username what we have created, and then we have to provide password, and then click on OK button. You can see another instance is opened here. Now you can log in with different user in a same computer. This way we can open multiple instances of Skype for desktop. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.